Hi everyone, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Pad 5 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here in this left section we have to find passwords and security, so simply scroll down a little bit and tap on it. Now let's enter the privacy section, and as you can see in advanced we've got the encryption and credentials, and after tapping on it at the very bottom of this list we've got clear credentials option, so this is the option we're looking for. Let's tap on it. Your device will ask you if you really want to remove all the contents, so just confirm it with OK, and as you can see we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. And be aware, if you've got any kind of screen lock, so the pattern pin or password, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your XIAOMI Pad 5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.